Good morning students, welcome back to accountancy classes of Sri Mahavir International School. In our last video we have completed question number 11 A point. Question number 11B will be your homework, you will do it yourself. So today we are going to start question number 12. As you know that we have started the fundamentals of partnership, so you should study continuously to understand better concepts. Okay. So let's start with the 12th question. A, B and C were partners in a firm having capitals of 2 lakh rupees and 80,000 respectively on 1st April 2015. 1st April 2015 means this is the opening capital. Their current account balances were 20,000, 10,000 and 5,000 debit. It means the firm is following fixed capital method. That's why you have current account balances in the question. According to the partnership deed, the partners were entitled to interest on capital at the rate of 10% per annum. You have to give interest on the opening capital at the rate of 10% per annum. B, being the working partner, was also entitled to a salary of rupees 6,000 per quarter. Per quarter means after every 3 months we have to give salary to B. The profits were to be divided as follows. The first 60,000 rupees in proportion to their capitals, next 1 lakh rupees in the ratio of 4:3:1 and remaining profits to be shared equally. This will be the distribution of profit. The firm made a profit of rupees 2,80,000 for the year ended 31st March 2016 before charging any of the above items. This is the profit that is shown by profit and loss account. Prepare the profit and loss appropriation account and pass necessary journal entry for appropriation of profits. So let's start with the P&L appropriation account first. P&L appropriation account for the year ended 31st March 16. March 2016. There are only few items that to be shown in this account. Particular amount. So first of all, what we show in this account, I think you everybody know about this, that first of all in the credit side we show the profit that is shown by profit and loss account. So what is the profit in the question? Profit is 2,80,000. So I will write here by profit and loss account. This is 2,80,000. 2,80,000 is the profit before any adjustment, means out of this profit you have to give interest on capital, salary, whatever is there in the question. Later on, according to partnership deed, you have to give interest on capital at the rate of 10% per annum. So we will write here to interest on capital. What is the interest on capital of 3 partners, A, B and C? You have 3 partners, A, B and C. Their capitals are 2 lakh and 80,000 and interest is 10% per annum. So what is the amount of interest? 20,000, 20,000 and 8,000. Means total interest will be 48,000. Okay. Next point, B, being the working partner, was also entitled to a salary. So we will write here to salary to B. 6,000 rupees per quarter. Per quarter means after every 3 months you have to give 6,000 rupees to B. It means in 1 year you have to give 4 times. So the salary will be 24,000. Okay. After this you don't have any item. only you have to distribute the profit in various ways. Okay, so just total of credit side. Total of credit side is 2,80,000. Here also 2,80,000. Out of this 2,80,000, just deduct these two items, then you will get a profit of rupees 2,08,000. And we will write here partner's current account because we are following fixed capital method. To partners' current account, A, B and C. How will they get their profits? For this we have to prepare one working note. Calculation of partners' profits. Okay, so according to first condition, the first 60,000 rupees in proportion to their capitals, 60,000 rupees to be distributed, the proportion of their capitals. So what is the proportion of capital? 2 lakh, 2 lakh and 80,000. So how we will get ratio of this capital? 2 lakh is to 2 lakh is to 80,000. So get the ratio. It is 20 is to 20 is to 8. Just make the simplest form of this, 5, 5, 2. Okay, just I am simpling this ratio by the table of 4. Okay, 5, 5, 2, right? So distribute the 60,000 in this ratio. A equals to 60,000 multiplied by 5. A's ratio is 5, and as a denominator we will write the sum of these all ratios, 5, 5, 10 to 12. For B, 60,000 multiplied by 5 upon 12. Again the ratio of B is also 5. And for C, 60,000 multiplied by 2 upon 12. So you will get the profit 25,000 for A, the same 25,000 for B and 10,000 for C. This is the first distribution of profit. The second, 1 lakh rupees to be distributed in 4, 3, 1. 4 is to 3 is to 1. This will be the ratio for distributing 1 lakh rupees. 1 lakh multiplied by the ratio of A is 4 upon sum of all the ratios, 4 plus 3 plus 1, that is 8. Then again 1 lakh multiplied by 3 upon 8. 1 lakh multiplied by 1 upon 8. So first amount will be 50,000. Second will be 37,500. And third 12,500. This is the second distribution of profit. And what is the third condition? Remaining profits to be shared equally. Now check that what is the remaining profit that we have to share equally. So total profit was 2,08,000. Out of this 2,08,000, you have distributed 60,000 and 1 lakh rupees. Okay. So according to third condition, remaining profit to be shared equally. Total profit was 2,08,000 minus 60,000 minus 1 lakh. So now you have remaining profit of rupees 48,000. Distribute this 48,000 equally among 3 partners. It means you can do 48,000 divided by 3. 48,000 divided by 3, 48,000 divided by 3. 16,000 per partner. This is the third distribution of profit. Okay. Now find total profit of every partner. Total profit of every partner. A B and C. A's profit is 25,000 plus 50,000 plus 16,000. 25,000 plus 50,000 plus 16,000 equals to 91,000. This is the profit of A, and this 91,000 we will write in the P&L appropriation account. Then B, 25,000 plus 37,500 and plus 16,000. 25, 37,500 plus 16,000. So what will be the sum of these amounts? 78,500. 78,500 we will write in P&L appropriation account. The same for C, 10,000 plus 12,500 plus 16,000. So third profit will be 38,500. So write here 38,500. So like this way, this was the distribution of profit. Nothing was different point in this question, just the point was that how we will distribute the profits. Just you have to distribute the profits according to conditions. Like first 60,000 we will distribute in the ratio of their capitals. Next 1 lakh rupees to be distributed in 431 and remaining profits share equally. Okay. So this was P&L appropriation account, and now you have to prepare journal entry for apportionment of profits, only for profit. So what will be the journal entry for this? P&L appropriation account debit to A's current account, to B's current account, to C's current account. Why am I following the current account? Because the firm is following fixed capital method. As we already have current account balances in the question, that's why we can find that the firm is following fixed capital method. So the journal entry will be P&L appropriation account debit to A's current account, to B's current account, to C's current account. 91,000 for A, 78,500 for B, and 38,500 for C, and total profit is 2,08,000. This is the journal entry for apportionment of profits. So this was question number 12. There was no point for loan and for other points. Just out of the profit that is given by the P&L account, we distributed first interest on capital, then salary of any partner, and then the remaining profit distributed among the partners. Okay. Let's start with the next question. Next question we are going to start, that is 14th. Question number 14 we are going to start next. Yes, question number 14. A, B and C entered into partnership on 1st April 2016 with capitals of 10 lakh, 8 lakh and 5 lakh respectively. This is the opening capital. On 1st July 2016, B advanced 2 lakh rupees, and on 1st December 2016, C advanced rupees 1 lakh by way of loans to the firm. There are two partners that are giving loans to the firm. So try to click this in your mind that partner's loan will be shown in P&L account. If you are giving interest, means you have to give interest. This is compulsory, as you know that this is charge against profit. So we have to show the partner's loan in P&L account, not in P&L appropriation account. The P&L account for the year ended 31st March 2017 disclosed a profit of rupees 7,70,000, but the partners could not agree upon the rate of interest on loans and the profit sharing ratio. Prepare partners' capital accounts and loan accounts. First of all, check that is there any rate in the question, that by which rate we have to give interest to the partners on loan. But we don't have any rate. It means you know that in the absence of any partnership deed, we give interest at the rate of 6% per annum. The second concept, is there any rate for profit sharing? No. It means we will share the profits and losses equally. Okay. We have to prepare partners capital account and loan account. Partners capital account, this will be the first. How many partners are there? 3. First column for date, particular, A, B and C. Same for credit side, date, particular, A, B and C. Date, particular, ABC, then again date, particular, ABC. This is partners capital account. Second we will prepare, that is partners loan account. In this also same, date, particular, A and B. Just I am making here for amount 2 columns because there are only 2 partners that are giving loan to the firm. Date, particular, then for both partners. Date, particular. What are the names of the partners that are giving loan to the firm? B and C. Then again date, particular, B and C. Okay? Yes. So first of all check that what is your profit. I'm starting the first line. Actually you have opening capital in the question, that is 10 lakh, 8 lakh and 5 lakh that we show in the partners capital account. Date is 1st April 2016. By balance BD. By balance BD is the opening capital. 10 lakh, 8 lakh and 5 lakh. 10 lakh, 8 lakh and 5 lakh. Okay. Then on 1st July B advanced 2 lakh rupees and on 1st December C advanced loan to the firm. Loan is shown in loans account. First, that is on 1st July, right? 2016, 1st July by bank account. Amount is 2 lakh rupees for B. On this date, there is no loan for C. C is giving loan to the firm, that is on 1st December by bank account. C's loan is rupees 1 lakh. Okay. Profit and loss account disclosed a profit of 7,70,000. 7,70,000 is the profit that is shown by profit and loss account, but out of this profit still you did not give interest on loan. So first of all we have to pay interest on loan out of this profit, then we will distribute among the partners. So just you can make profit and loss account. This will be prepared in working note. Particular amount, particular amount. Okay. First of all, there is profit for the year. Profit is 7,70,000. Okay, and you have to pay interest on loan, that will be shown on the debit side because this is expenditure. So interest on loan for B and C. What will be the interest on loan? Just calculate it. Calculation of interest on loan for B and for C. What is the amount of loan for B? That is 2 lakh and for C it is 1 lakh. Rate of interest is not given in the question, so in the absence of any information we assume 6%. And time, just calculate the time for both partners. B gave loan to the firm on 1st July, so you have to count July to March, that will be 9 months. And C provided loan to the firm on 1st December. So you have to count December to March. That will be for 4 months. Okay. So just calculate it. First partner, for first partner it will be 9,000 and for second partner it will be 4,500. Sorry. 2,000. For second partner it will be 2,000. So this 9,000, 2,000 we will show here, 9,000 and 2,000. So total interest will be 11,000. Now just check what is the remaining profit after providing interest. The remaining profit is 7,59,000 and this 7,59,000 we will transfer to P&L appropriation account. So to P&L appropriation account. Now prepare P&L appropriation account. This whole calculation will be in working note. Remind it. P&L appropriation account. So first of all write here by P&L account 7,59,000. Now you don't have any item in the question like interest on capital, salary, commission. Just you don't have any item that will be shown in P&L appropriation. So the whole profit 7,59,000 will be distributed among the partners. So 7,59,000 total of credit side, the same will be total of debit side. Now two partners, capital or current, you don't have current account balances, so just write down partners capital account A, B and C. We don't have any ratio also that in which ratio they will share their profits and losses, so we will share equally. 7,59,000 divided by 3 because we have 3 partners, so the profit will be for each partner 2,53,000. So total profit 7,59,000 will be distributed among the partners 253, 253, 253. This will be the ratio, or this will be the share of each partner. This share will be transferred to partners capital account on 31st March 2017 by P&L appropriation account. Their share is 2,53,000, 2,53,000, 2,53,000. You don't have any other item, so just close this account. 12,53,000, 10,53,000 and 7,53,000. Same will be transferred to debit side, 12,53, 10,53 and 7,53. You don't have to deduct any item, so just this balance will be your closing balance. So write down here to balance CD. This is the closing of partners capital account. Now close partners loan account. You have shown here partners loan, but interest on loan also we have to show the same on 31st March 2017 by interest on loan. Amount is 9,000 and 2,000. So it is 2,09,000 and it is 1,02,000. 2,09,000, 1,02,000. The same amounts will be their closing balance, 2,09,000 and 1,02,000 on 31st March 17 to balance CD. Okay. So what was there in the question? Just again I am summarizing full question, that in this question you have to prepare only partners capital account and partners loan account. These two accounts only we have to prepare. The remaining calculation will be full in working note. It means your working note starts from here. Working note number 1, 2 and 3. First we are calculating interest on loan. Second we are preparing P&L account, and third we are preparing P&L appropriation account. Okay. one thing that you have to remind every time, that interest on loan will be shown in P&L account. Okay, like now you have profit of 7,70,000. Out of this 770, first we distributed interest on loan to the partners, and then the remaining profit is transferred to P&L appropriation. From here we distributed this profit to partners. Suppose that if you are distributing the 7,59,000 among the partners in the same account, so it will be wrong. If there is profit in the question, so you have to transfer that profit in P&L appropriation, and you have to share the profits among the partners in P&L appropriation account only. Okay, so this was the calculation of P&L and P&L appropriation. Here you can see that in partners loan account we show partners loan and their interest. There is no other item, and these items will not be shown in partners capital account also. Just you can check here, we show here only opening balances, closing balances and share of profits. Okay, so this was question number 14. Next question we will start in the next video. Till then you can study the concept of interest on loan, partners loan, or this P&L appropriation account, P&L account, that how we distribute the profits, losses. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you so much.